afternoon, my teacher and my friends. In this video, we will explain our calculation. But before we start, I gonna introduce us. We're from group 2 and consist of 7 people who have Gilbert Trisanjaya, Ethan Francis, Darren Avilnodinata, Dean Richilin, Davina Angeline Setianingrum, Meisha Virginia Jimmy, and Nadia Cheryl Florenta. We took data from Monday to Sunday. How long did you play games and mobile phone? We took one more data from another group. We took group 4 and consists of 6 people who have Grace Evangeline Limas, Daniel Riyadi, Stephen Susanto, Kalista Cassandra, Harry Wang, and Alvin. The another goals will explain it by my friends.
Initial. The result of the researchers calculation the ideal duration for online activities in 2 hours in the day, but the average use of people calculates are 4 hours, where it's like spending 6 months playing phone in 1 year. You know the habit cause tired eyes, dry eyes, and vision become blurred. The goal: 1. Find the data between group A data and group B data. 2. Calculate mean median model from data A and data B. 3. Compare data A and data B.
On this slide, there is table A and table B, and I will explain how to get it. In table A, we do it with the polling system in WhatsApp, and we collect the data. We instruct one of our member to make the table. It is different in table B. We ask our friend who is Stephen. We ask him the data they had met and then send it to us. In data A, there are 7 days. So in 7 days, we times into members in our group. It's 7. So 7 times 7 is 49. So the total of the frequency is 49 on the table A. It is different in table B because in table B only 6 members. So 7 days times 6, it's mean 42 data.
Now I will explain about my group. So in this table, we have the value and the frequency. Value is how much time we played games, and frequency is how much people played game in that times. Like value is 2 hours, 3 hours, and frequency is 5 people's play in 2 hours and 3 people's play in 3 hours. We continue to count the mean. So the formula of mean is value times frequency 1 by 1 and divided by total of frequency. So 2 times 5 plus 3 times 3 plus 4 times 7 plus 5 times 18 plus 6 times 8 plus 7 times 2 and plus 8 times 6. And now we will divide it of the total of frequency. The frequency total is 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 18 plus 8 plus 2 and plus 6. So the mean is 247 divided by 49. The answer is 5.05. Now we will count the median. Median was the result of the middle data or the middle value. The formula is total frequency divided by 2. And if the number is odd, the total frequency is odd number, we have to plus 1 then divided by 2. So total of frequency in this data is 49. It's odd number, so we have to plus 1 to it. 49 plus 1 is 50, then we divided it by 2. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 25th data is 5, so the median was 5. Now the modius. Modius is the most frequency that appears. So in my group, the modius is 5 hours because the frequency that appears is 18. That is the most or the biggest number that appears.
Now for grace group. To calculate the mean of this data, we have to multiply value and frequency, and add all of that. The multiplication equal 217. After that, we have to divide that the sum of the multiplication, which is 217, and the sum of frequency, which is 42, makes the answer 5167. Next, the median. To find it, we have to add all of the frequency, which was 42, and because the frequency was even data, we have to divide with 2 equal 21. The median of this data was from data 21 and data 22, which was in the middle of the data. So, we have to search the value first. The data 21 was 5, and the data 22 was also 5. So, the median was 5 plus 5 and then divided with 2 equal 5. Next, the last one was to find the mode. We could find the mode by looking at the highest frequency, which was value 5, the most time they have played the game.
Comparison of the result of calculation between the Gilbert group and Grace group produced the following data, where for the Gilbert group has an average of 5.05 while the Grace group has an average a value of 5.167 for the made a value of the two groups has the same a value, namely 5 hours. For the median, a value of both groups has the same value of 5 points.
From this data, we conclude that we shouldn't play phones too much. Try to control your time because our phones have radiation that isn't good for our eyes. We have also taken some information from these websites. Thank you our teacher that has watched this video until here. I hope you can understand what we have explained. We apologize if there is any error. Thank you.